Hello everyone. This is a continuation of our technical series. So we'll start a series of technical things, technical related things. So in this series, we will be discussing about many technologies. So one of them is ServiceNow, and in ServiceNow, what are the capabilities we have? So we'll go one by one. So let me do one thing. So ServiceNow, what is ServiceNow? So ServiceNow, it's a platform. Okay, so it's a platform. So it's a SaaS plus platform, and it's also a PaaS. It called and PaaS platform. So platform as service and software as service. So these are the two things related to ServiceNow. So ServiceNow is not a software that you can install in your desktop, laptop, or anywhere. So it's a online based solution. So it is mainly targeted um, to for the ITSM industry, IT service management, and IT service management is implemented from ITIL. So the ITIL concept will be applicable in ITSM module, service management module, and the theory is implemented into ServiceNow application. So in ServiceNow we have many modules like ITSM, then ITOM. So it's operation management. So it's IT operation management. I'm not writing the IT because it is common everywhere, and it's management service management ITOM, and then CSM. So um, so there are many modules actually, and it is growing very fast. Um, and it is not limited to ITSM, ITOM, or CSM. So it's customer uh, customer service management, customer service management. So what about the activities? So in CSM, uh, so the targeted area or the custom area is customer service management, where your company has some customer feedback or customer representation team. So where you can implement um, or take your customer satisfaction, how to deal with your customer. Suppose like you have organization, and your organization is handling some of your clients. So that's client are your customer. So in this customer segment, you have two other segment like business to business or business to consumer. So B2B and B2C, these are the two areas as well coming forward. And how you will handle the response from your customer, how you will communicate. So CSM is targeted for this area mainly. And then ITSM. So ITSM means for your internal organization, how your internal organization is, is doing the day-to-day operations, and all those things. So this is not only limited to your operation, day-to-day operation, but also they in ITSM there are other capabilities as well, um, to help you with this, with your organization's activities. And coming to the ITOM, so ITOM is another vast area. So in ITOM there are many things. So discovery is one of the application, and then service mapping. Service mapping is another application, and then um, event management. Event management is, so these three areas comes into ITOM, operations management. And by discovery we are actually discovering your business service. So it's a horizontal discovery. So whatever the CI is present, so it will be discovered by discovery. So there are certain rules written, so probes and other functionality is there. So it's a Java based applications, um, to get the information and then automate the process for your organization. So it's very helpful for your organization to build the operation management automated. And then service mapping is another vast area where you will implement your vertical integration, for your services, business services, which is already there for your organization. You wanted to see the vertical integration, what you have in your organization. So this will automate your organization business services. um, yeah, so after that you have the service mapping implemented. So you will be having some event will be created, right? So monitoring is one of the major things for your organization, I believe. And so you wanted to monitor or wanted to see how the performance of your business service applications, how they are doing their job. So you have some monitoring tool, and from that monitoring tool you have some generated alerts. So how you will handle those alerts, which is comes under the event management, how you will manage your that kind of event, uh, not manually, by automated process automatically. You don't have to do it manually again and again. You don't have to make people sit for your things to get done, right? So those are the area where ITOM comes into picture. Coming to the ITSM, it's not that kind of big module, but it has um, it is one of the major module for IT industry. They have their service, right? So they have to run their service. Um, uh, they have to manage their services, right? That's how the service management comes into picture. And when you have the service management implemented, so you will be having the module like incident, how you will manage the incident of your organization, how you will take care of the change. So change module is another big module for this. And after the change, if there is any problem, so that's how the problem management comes into picture. And then you have another module. So you want to keep your knowledge secure, or you wanted to protect your knowledge base for your organization. That's how the knowledge management comes into picture, right? And then there is another module. So it's part of the catalog item or order management. So order management is another module which is again comes into ITSM module. So in order management module, you will be having um, that catalog item, and then from that catalog item you can order your things. So let we will go not very fast. We'll be taking one by one, chunk by chunk. We'll break it through. So as I said, this is a very big modules, and in that module you will have other set of application or modules which is again a big shot to go. So we'll break into some piece. We'll go with the agile like a agile process we'll follow, and then break into piece by piece and try to make you understand how this will behave, or how this is actually implemented in your organization, or how you will implement in your organization to benefit your customers or your organization. So let me go to the instance. So we have, if I click on it, then so let me go to one by one. So incident, so this is incident. So in incident models you can have a set of other application thing. So you can you can create a new incident. You have some other links. So if you click on open, so it will open up any incident which is open, which is um, not inactive. So that's how it's look like out of the box. And definitely your organization needs to customize some of the things. So we'll come one by one. And incident, then change. So in change, again you have new. So let me go to create new. So how the form look like, see what. Oh, okay. So you will be having coming to the change, right? So in change you will be having other set of what type of change you want to build, right? So here it is asking which type of change you wanted to implement. So in change there are normal change, emergency change, and then um, other set of changes is also there. And you can also create a new type of change that will be that will require or that will help your organization to grow. So if I click on normal, so this is a form look like. So in that form there are many components. We will be going through one by one. So if you okay, so in that form, um, there are there are some stage. So you can see this is stage. So it's new, assess, authorize, schedule, implement, review, closed, and then cancel. So these are the stages which change life cycle module will actually follow when you create the change. So it will start from the new and then assess, then authorize if required, then schedule, implement, how you implement. So all of the things will cover one by one. Let me go to another module called problem module. So here also you have create new. Okay, so I have some script written, that's how it is coming, but generally it will not come. So let's see. So in problem module again you have some life cycle. So in that life cycle you have new, assess, root cause analysis, fix, in progress, resolve, and then close, right? So then there are many other components, as I said. Related search is one of them. So depending on okay, we will come later on this. This is itself is a big thing, so we need some time to break it down. Okay, let me go to other module called knowledge. So in knowledge, so we have publish knowledge, article, create new, and unpublished, return, and all of this. So if I click on all, so it will open the all of the KB article, set of KB article we have, and then you can see. And if you open any of the KB articles, so you can see the how the form look like. Okay, and then we have the catalog module or the order management. In that, if you go to maintain item, so you will find the catalog whichever is available. Another way to do it is that write sp, go there. So whatever you are seeing is a overview how the ServiceNow application integrated these modules and how the request is fulfilled, or how your um, uh, organization will benefited by these modules. So if you click on the catalog, so you will be having these are the catalog item you have actually which is active. So you always can modify all of these catalog items, so it's very much customizable, and JavaScript is main written language which is responsible for doing all of this for this customization as well. If I click on this and then click on the name, so it's open up in one requested item. which is already created. I don't want that, but I want a new to be created, right? So I am not getting. This is my request. I think it is not yet configured. So I mean, in the later point of time, I will definitely um, um, make it how actually it's look like. So it's out of the box. I have not done any customization, so that's how it is actually coming like this. And this is not the expected behavior. What I would say. Um, but yeah, let me do one thing. Shoot. And why? Nope, nope. No, it is not clickable thing right now. So let me go back and then so you will have to go maintain. Okay, so maintain item. Then let me search Apple that catalog item. Apple i3. And then if you click on try, okay, so that's how it actually look like. And if you click on or hit the button now, it will order your item as part of it. See, the request is created, and then within the request you have a requested item, so which needs to be fulfilled. um, and then if there is any approval required, group approval required, so a C task is again comes into item, a requested item. And so one by one we'll cover it. So we have covered ServiceNow as a platform, and then we have covered this overview for these three: ITSM, ITOM, and then CSM, and then some of the component of it. So that's pretty much for the introduction of this technical series of ServiceNow. So we'll meet in the second video very soon, and we will break down each of these modules and then the component of that module and discuss. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel and bear with us. Thank you.